Hello friends, here we are in this tutorial that I have called Discover MeerK40t, a wonderful program to control your laser CNC. Let's take a look at it. I should mention that MeerK40t is free software and has a MeerK license. Here we see the version that I am using. MeerK40t is a program that is used to control both CO2 and diode laser CNCs. Its interface is highly configurable. We will briefly describe some parts of this interface. Here we have the canvas where we will view the project that we are developing or the one that we have loaded. These tools that you see on the left are used to edit our design and others to control the position of the laser. Much of the content in the menu bar is self-explanatory. However, there are some details that we will explain in future videos. Here we have 3 tabs, each containing a set of tools. As we advance in the development of our project, the elements that we are incorporating appear here and the operations here. For example, let's say that we want to cut this here. Here's this element that is a rectangle. And here it says that the operation is to record at this speed and with this power. This part here is useful for continuing to use partially used material. For example, if the operation of recording this rectangle has already been carried out, then we can move this over here. And note that if we want to continue with another project, we have to take into account this part that has already been used. For example, if we wanted to cut a circle, we have to take into account that this region here has already been used. We will achieve precise placement of the new elements on the material already used with the help of the camera. We will soon see a practical case in this regard. For now, if we make this selection and press the delete key, well, we have the effect that we are seeing. We will explain the set of tools present in this tab as we advance in the tutorial. This set of colored icons is used to associate an operation stored in a library with each element. For example, if we have a rectangle over here, look at the operation over here. Here we have the element, the operation, and this is in blue. We can change it. Once the element is selected, we can say it is cut and it appears here. Or we can select according to what we need. The colors used in the operations are not universal. Let's delete this and we delete this. Another group of tools are also in this tab. Note that this is also more or less self-explanatory. And over here we have this where the main thing or the first thing we do here is add CNC devices and configure them. And we also have the materials library here that I mentioned a while ago. This part is also interesting, we will see that later. To finish this tutorial, we are going to do a very simple practical case. We are going to use the camera first. Yes, here we see this is the camera. This is the laser module and we are going to import this image. And I have placed some elements here on purpose to place another new one. If I want, I will place another one here where there is free space. Okay, that is why the camera is useful. Okay, Now we are going to connect to the CNC here. Here I have this. It's connected, and now I'm going to send this operation to be done. Here it's as easy as putting it together. And now I'm telling it to start. We can have the camera on here. So we're going to place the camera here to see it live, and here we're telling it to start. And here we have our cut. That's all I had for now. This first video is simply to demonstrate some of the features of MeerK40t. In the following videos we're going to go into detail about the tools of this program. The next video will be about installing MeerK40t and configuring a CNC for later use. Now yes, that's all I had for now. As always, if you like this, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, to share it, to hit the bell so that YouTube will notify you in the next videos, and any comments will be welcome. Greetings, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.